Hi, I just wanted to shoot a quick video to show you how to use Yoast for SEO for your blog. You'll see here, you see one is orange. Well, there's nothing I can do with that because it contains a stop word, which is stop word is 2. So nobody looks up guide search engine optimization. Somebody might look up guide to search engine optimization. So really that 2 is important. So really that's going to have to stay there, I'm afraid, the orange, but apart from that it's green, so that's fine. The focal keyword is the main keyword that people put in to find your post, and this is guide to search engine optimization. That's the focus keyword, and keyword density is 0.8, which is great, it says. The meta description contains the focus keyword, the shaded meta description. The meta description is this bit here, these 3 lines here. I have to type something in there to so that it comes out like this, because this is how it appears on the search engines. You have the title Guide to Search Engine Optimization SEO Video Training Course Review, and then you have all this text, which is the meta description. And then this green line here is the domain address. That's how to find that. That's the address to find this post. So, what else have we got here? Meta description contains the focus keyword. That's great. Meta description has a nice length. Thank you. The focus keyword appears in 2 out of 10 subheadings. No, 2 out of 11 subheadings in your copy. The images on a page contain the attributes. Let me just show you that. I'll just show you that. Let's have a look at this. I'll show you what it means by having the keywords into the images. Actually, no, that was the wrong thing. Let me just find it. Let's go to that. Add media. This is the media library, and we'll click on this bit here. This is the featured image. So, Guide to Search Engine Optimization is in the alt text box. Okay. So, if you're having an image on the screen like this, on a page like this, this is for my Pinterest. Where's the mouse? There we go. This is for my Pinterest. Well, for the good of Pinterest, so people can find it on Pinterest, and people can share it on Pinterest. And if I click on this edit sign here, this little pen, and where are you? Oh, here, Guide to Search Engine Optimization. See alternative text, and then the caption: please pin this image to Pinterest. Thank you. So people can share it through their Pinterest accounts. So thank you for sharing it. What else have we got down here? Let's just have a look. $716 words. That's a good length. Ideally, it would be between 800 and 1,000 words, but 716 is not bad. The page has 0 no followed outbound links and 1 normal outbound link, so that's great. This page has 0 non-followed internal links and 1 normal internal links. That's to the last post. I always put a link to the last post within the post. The SEO title contains the focus keyword at the beginning, which is considered to improve rankings, and the SEO title has nice length. Yeah, very good. The focus keyword appears in the URL for this page. Yep. You've never used this focal keyword before, Very good. So let's see. This is readability now. This is how well it reads, and as you can see, they're all green, which means they're all good. Score is 63.2, which is good. Okay to read. Yeah, the amount of words followed by each of the subheadings doesn't exceed the recommended maximum of 300 words, which is great. None of the paragraphs are too long, which is great. 18.9% of the sentences contain more than 20 words, which is less than or equal to recommended maximum of 25%. 37.7% of the sentences contain a transition word or phrase, which is great. 9.4% of the sentences contain passive voice, which is less than or equal to the recommended maximum of 10%. So everything is good there, and that's ready to be published. It's actually being published tomorrow morning at 9 AM my time, GMT, which is the 23rd of May 2018 at 9 AM GMT. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have more idea now of how to use Yoast for SEO, the SEO for Yoast plugin for your WordPress blog or website, whatever you want to use it for. I think you can use it for a normal website, but basically most people have it for a blog. But it's damn good plugin, and it will really pay dividends in the end. I haven't actually got the premium version for it, but you can buy a premium version for it, which gives you even more good stuff, which is probably worth it. So maybe something for the future for me. So thank you for watching this again, and please like and subscribe to this video, to this channel, if you would like to receive more videos in your YouTube feed from me, and please also like the page if you like it obviously. So thank you very much, and have a nice day. And now let's play and the keyboard and the mouse pointer. There we go.